Hi, guys. All right, let's get our brains warmed up a little bit with some math mental warm up, our mental math. And then we're going to practice a little bit of some of the things that we've been working on. And I have a website for you to go to do a little game to connect with what we are doing today. So let's do some skip counting to help us warm up today. We're going to start with level one, nice and easy. Let's count by tens and let's go from 0 to 100. You ready? Let's do it together. Here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. All right, let's do counting by fives, and we're going to go from 0 to 25 real quick. All right, 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. All right, and let's count by twos, and let's go from 0 to 20. Ready? Here we go. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. All right, level one, easy peasy. All right, level two, let's count backwards from 100 to 0 by tens. Let's do it. Here we go. 100, 90, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10, 0. My brain got stuck there a little bit. All right, and let's count backwards from 25 to 0 by fives. Let's do it. 25, 20, 15, 10, 5, 0. And let's count backwards from 20 to 0 by twos. Here we go. 20, 18, 16, 14, 12, 10, 8, 6, 4, 2, 0. I had to really stop and think about that. If I went too quick, I knew I would make a mistake. All right, so level three, let's skip count by tens and let's go to, we're going to start at 70 and we're going to go to 150. Ready? By tens. Here we go. 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150. All right, great job. I think our brains are warmed up. All right, so today I was thinking of us going back and visiting two-digit addition, which we left off with when we were together in school. We were talking about all the different ways that we could solve a problem that has two-digit numbers, right? So let's think about it. What were some of the ways that we came up with? I'll give you a second to think. You can share with me, even though I can't hear you. Like my teacher brain can feel your answers coming in. All right. What are some of the ways? I bet you one of the ways that some of you are thinking of is we could do base 10 blocks, right? So we could do 63, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 1, 2, 3, plus 25, right? So that's one way that we could do it. Some of you, I know, like to do our partial sums, which means you like to take your tens, put them together, and you like to take your ones and put them together. So we could do 60 plus 20 equals, and then we can do 3 plus 5 equals. That's another way. Right? Some of you also might be thinking of an open number line, which we would start with our bigger number, which was 63. We would hop 10, 20, and then 5. So this would be plus 10 to get us 73. Okay, sorry, I'm blocking your way. It might be a little bit hard to see as well. Okay, then we're going to add another 10. And that's going to give us 83. And then we would add 5 more to that to give us our answer of 88. Okay. When we count our base 10 blocks, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88. So that gives us 88. And then if we did 60 plus 20, that's 80. 3 plus 5, that's 8. So that gives us 88. Another thing that we could do is, I know some of you like to start with the big number. 63 plus 20. So just take the tens, make a nice, easy, friendly number, and then you would get 83. And then you would take your 83 and you would add 5 more, okay, to get 88. All right, so that's one way, 2 ways, 3 ways, 4 ways that you could do a 2-digit addition problem. One other way that some of us are doing is you guys are actually just lining them up like this, and you're doing 3 plus 5 is 8, and 6 plus 2 is 8. Just remember that when these numbers here are more than 9, that you have to bring your 10 over to the other side. All right, so we are going to practice these. I would love for you guys to come up with some of the 2-digit addition facts on your own. Hi, Keenan. All right, so I'm actually going to give you some, or you can come up with some on your own. You can pause it and you can write them down. I'm also going to put a link to a website, like I told you, that is going to have a game that you guys can play. All right, so you can do some of these. I'm going to write them here. Some of them are going to be where you do not have to bring over any tens, and some of them you will. All right, so I'll give you a few to work with. Let's see. Maybe we'll just do 3, and then you can come up with some more on your own if you would like. Okay. All right, so 55 plus 42, 75 plus 24, and 48 plus 23. So you guys can pause this, write those down, come up with the answer in any way that you can think of. These were just 5 different ways that we've done in class. And then if you want to give the game a try, you can give the game a try. Mommy. All right, guys. Happy adding. Bye.